Hello everyone, Man of32 here, and today I'm gonna be promoting my first video with Google Ads. So if you're interested in doing Google Ads, stay until the end. As you can see, I'm already in my YouTube page, and from here we need to go to our videos, which is gonna take us to YouTube Studio, and here you need to select which video you want to promote. I decided to do it with the video from last week that I uploaded on Monday. And first you need to click on the three dots and then you need to select promote. You're gonna get a new page open and here you need to choose get started. And this is gonna start the process with Google Ads. If you don't have a registration with Google Ads, you're not gonna be able to do that. And if you need to know how to do it, I can make an additional video, but it's just a standard registration that you need to do. The first option, I don't think it's gonna be good for me because I don't want my videos to be promoted meanwhile you're watching something else. I prefer that they're like a thumbnail next to related video, and this way I think I'm gonna have a better success of people finding my ads and finding my channel.
A few moments later.
Okay. So this one. We made it. Amazing. As you can see, I already selected English, Spanish and Bulgarian in the language options, and the countries that I selected are Argentina, Australia, Bulgaria, Canada, Mexico, Panama, United Kingdom and United States. I selected these countries because mostly people from them are watching my videos. So we can see some estimate weekly performance on the right side, and as you can see we can get between 180,000 until 620,000 impressions and between 2,200 and 5,300 views, and we are gonna pay between 1 and 4 US cents. So on this page we can select the gender, age and the parental status of our customers, and on the right side you can see the estimate weekly performance, and that we are gonna get between, let's say, 200 and 600,000 impressions, and this is gonna bring between 2,000 and 5,000 views, and the price is gonna be between 1 cent and 4 cents per view. On this page we need to select what kind of people we want to reach, and I selected comics and animation fans and gamers because this is the audience that I want to reach. On the next page you can see how our ad is gonna show, the locations where it's gonna be, in what languages is gonna be, demographics, interests. Now we are gonna go on the last page, I think. Yep. Here I'm gonna change the account type to individual because I'm not an organization, I'm an individual still. I don't have a promotion code, I'm in Panama, Central America. And I'm gonna stop the video now for a second so I can write my card information and submit the payment. Okay, so we are already done. We placed our first Google ad and I'm like super excited about it. I think I need to wait about 1 hour so they can approve my campaign, and in the next 1 week we are gonna be monitoring how our views are gonna change, our comments, likes, dislikes, and our public watch hours. Until now I have 101 watch hours, so let's see if they're gonna significantly increase or it's just gonna be a slow process. Hey guys, as you saw, I was super excited about the results of the ad. I had so many learnings during the process that I want to share with you. First, I'm gonna give you a general overview and then we are gonna go into details and stats. As you can see, my subscribers increased from 40 to 57 and my public watch hours increased from 101 to 118. And if you remember, I had only 27 views on my video. Now I have more than 5,200 and my watch hours are 19.2. Before we go in the final statistics of Google Ads, first I want to show you one screenshot that I made 48 hours after the ad was active. And as you can see, I had already 130,000 impressions, I had 1,400 views, and my view rate was 1.1%. And at this time, I decided to do some changes that you're gonna see in the next few minutes. Now, these are my final statistics of the ad, and as you can see, I have more than 5,200 views and almost 400,000 impressions. My view rate is 1.34%, and on my 48 hour, it was 1.10%. Now I'll show you which things I disabled so I can increase my view rate. As you remember, when I started my ad, I selected only male from the gender options. And during the first days, I enabled the female and a no option. But then I saw that the unknown group was giving me a really low percentage of view rate. And I disabled it again. I left only the females and males. And as you can see, the female view rate is 1.72 and the male is 1.26. So I got an increase from here. The next one that I disabled was the unknown in the parental status. As you can see, it have only 0.87 view rates. And the next one that I disabled was in the countries, Canada, UK, and Australia. They were giving me not that good results compared to the other countries. As you can see, United States is not that good, but we know that the US is a really huge market, so I decided to keep it anyway. Now we can see some statistics of the video in YouTube. And as you can imagine, the top geographies are from Argentina, Mexico, way ahead of everybody else, and followed by United States, Panama, and Bulgaria. The age and gender, obviously male is predominant because that's how we started our ad, and the female catch up a little bit after that with 20% of views. The age range, 18 to 24 is leading, and 25 to 34 is close behind, and 35 to 44 as well after that. More or less, these are the ranges that I was looking for. I put a little bit higher so I can see if I'm gonna get some views from older people. I would say that I'm super satisfied with the Google ad and I'm gonna do it again, but this time I'm gonna select the other option that in the first place I didn't thought that the automatically played before, during, or after other YouTube videos option is not that good, but maybe it's gonna be even better than the one that I selected with placed as a thumbnail next to related videos or on the YouTube homepage. So my next Google ad is gonna be this one, and I'm gonna let you know how it goes when I do this. If you have used Google Ads before and you have some tips for me, please share them in the comments and I will gladly try them in my next videos. If you like this video and you thought that it's helpful, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe so you can get notifications for my next video.